Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to change Facebook region settings. First up, open your Facebook on your browser, as you can see on your screen. Basically, click on your profile picture at the top right hand corner and then click on the settings and privacy. And from here, just need to click on settings at the top. Now we will go now on the next page, as you can see on your screen. Now basically go to the side menu right here and click on this language and region. Now from here, you will now go to the settings. Now you'll find region format right over here. So we're gonna click on edit and go to the search box. And here you can now search any region that you want to enter. So basically here, if you want United States, you just need to type United States from here and it will show up here the result if you want United States or if you want United Kingdom. So for example right here, and then click on the save changes. So that's it. That's how you basically change Facebook region settings. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.